Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the number 58 in the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, as you can see there. But well, before we get into this guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like building this dollhouse with me, make sure to leave a like down below. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partener. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. Alright guys, so now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse in the Victorian Style. And down below it says enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. And guys, this is the number 58. If you would like to see the previous 57, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of this video. And here down below we have the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And guys, this collection is from Editorial Salvat, which is the same company that makes the Marvel figures which I unbox. If you're interested in seeing that guys, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in my channel. Let's just flip this to the next part. And here it talks about the circuses in the Victorian age. Here we can see like a vintage miniature of a circus from the Victorian age. That looks really cool. And here you can see elephants and people checking on the elephants. Oh, as well as I think that's like a deer there, but I'm not sure. Very cool. And over here it shows the different parts of the circus. Well, let's flip this to the next page. Here you have the Master of Ceremonies there, directing the dancers. And here it teaches you how to make a decorative fan. It tells you all of the different materials that you'll need to make it. And then it walks you through step by step of how to do it. But guys, don't worry. As I always say with this collection, once we have the entire collection unboxed, I will walk you through how to do each of these steps one by one, and we will build the dollhouse together. So guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button, and guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, make sure to leave a like down below. And here it talks about porcelain during the Victorian age, because it was considered like a very rare commodity in that moment. It was imported from China. And here it talks about tourism during the Victorian age. Let's flip the page. And it talks about Thomas Cook. And here, guys, we have the dollhouse. How it will look once we have it finished. This is the front. And of course, guys, this collection is from editorial Salvat. Let's just flip back to the front. And well, guys, that's the end of that. Now it's time to check out our brand new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. And here we have our brand new chandelier. It reminds me a bit to Lumiere from Beauty and the Beast. But all jokes aside, what's really cool is this part, this like gold part, is actually real metal. It's not wood or plastic, and it's very shiny. And the candles seem to be like a light plastic, which is very cool. Here's one side. I really like this. You guys tell me what you guys think down in the comments below. Does it remind you to Lumiere too, or is it just me? I really like it. Look how intricate it is. It's just lovely, but I want to hear what you guys think. Tell me down below. And well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button if you haven't already. And of course, make sure to hit the bell that's right next to it, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, down in the description below, you'll also find the links to all of my social media, my Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, all of that down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Hostess Parchinaire. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well, guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye-bye.